Code 1 Maintenance presents the 5 forms of stress. There are 5 forms of stress. They are tension, compression, torsion, bending, and shear. Tension is the force that tries to pull an object apart. Gravity acting on a wing pulls the wing down, thus creating tension in the top wing skin. Compression is the force that tries to crush an object. Gravity pulls the wing down, thus compressing the skin on the lower wing. Torsion is the force that is created by a twisting motion. A crankshaft experiences torsion applied by the movement of the pistons. An airplane in flight experiences a bending force on the wing, as aerodynamic force lifts it. When a shear stress is applied to an object, the force tries to cut or slice through it. The bolt in the illustration has 2 opposing forces which are applying a shearing action to the bolt. This concludes this training video. We hope you found it useful.